Thanks so much for getting me this Coke. I really appreciate it. Oh my gosh. Thank you so much. It's Twist? Twist? This was from you? Thank you so much. Well, today's going to be a lot busier than I thought it was going to be. Setting off, heading into town, and I'm partially dressed, not fully. In yesterday's vlog, I told you I was going to a very special wedding ceremony, traditional wedding ceremony called Kwanjula. So what I'm doing right now is I'm heading to town, heading to my office, gonna drop a few things off, finish getting dressed, and then meet up with some friends of mine. We're gonna go together. Yeah, let's give you an update on the lip and the bacteria infection, energy level. So, as you can see, I get tired a bit faster. My energy is not 100% yet, 82.1%, and the lip is healing a little better, which is nice. And it should be completely better maybe by tomorrow. Oh, and I found out tomorrow, I'm giving a talk at church. It's gonna be a busy weekend. All right, so I made it to the office. Just so I could drop off a few things and put on my traditional wear for the Kwanjula. Like, it's not like it takes me long to get ready, but just want to make sure I do it chop chop, you know. I'm not bringing my bag that I normally bring. I'm just gonna normally bring this around town. But I'm just bringing my small Toomey. Bag. It has my power bank in it in case I need juice, wires and cables for charging devices, which is always needed. That. All right, now I'm gonna go to the, come on. I'm gonna go to the loo. I'm gonna freshen up just a little bit and then get fully dressed. So come with me to the restroom. Well, not literally to the restroom, but you know. Okay, feeling fresh. Just feeling fresh, put some, washing my face, putting some water on my arms, just get refreshed. Now, I am just going with an undershirt, that's about it, underneath, because on top, I'm really not gonna need anything. So let me go over the attire real quick, show you what I'm rocking. So I have my black shoes, which I forgot to dust off. Gotta go back and do that. Then I have some black pants. You can see there. Black shoes, black pants. And then the next thing I'm gonna put on is I'm going to put on the kanzu, which is the man's traditional wear. It's kind of like, some people would call it, it's kind of like a robe, kind of like a big robe that you put on up and over. So, something like this. Bam. Here we go. So there you go. That's kind of how it goes on top. Basically, that wraps around there. Let me see if I can do it right now. Actually, I got it. Yeah, I got it. Ooh. So that kind of goes in there. There's this little flap here that kind of tucks in there like that. There we go. Now that's part two. Now the last part is the suit jacket. Suit jacket, just it's the same one with the pants. Goes with the matching part with the pants. Now this you put on top. Goes on top like that. Pow. There we go. Comes right out. Looking fly. There we go. All right. So now we got the little kanzu. Now I'll give you actually a visual of how low this goes. You can see it starts there and it goes all the way down, basically to my feet. It goes all the way down to my feet, just like that. Yeah. All right, so now that we're dressed, we can get over to, we're gonna meet up with my friend. Oh, it's stuck in my pocket. need to lift up my dress and grab my AirPod holder. Gosh, my hair looks almost the same as when I had my own Kwanjula. Actually looks very similar for some reason. Alright, so last thing I'm gonna do is I'm gonna go clean my shoes. And then I'm gonna meet up with my friend Joanne and Oscar. And we're gonna head over there. Come on, let's go. Alright, I need some help buttoning this, so I'm gonna ask my friend, hey, can you help me? I can't do this button over here. So there's a button here. Can you help me there? Oh, nice shot.
Like you?
No, try. Lift it up more. Bukannya nada. Bukannya put it there.
I see as if it's going to squeeze your
It's
neck.
not. No.
Because it's hot.
It's fine.
Oh, an introduction?
Wakabi, yeah. I don't even know the person. It's my friend's daughter. But I heard Kwanjula. I was like, I'm coming. And I'm just feeling like, what day. My energy is like 50%, but I'm just gonna go for a few hours. Where about you?
Enjoy.
Okay. So I got some help putting that on. Okay, wow. Now I'm trying to show off because I'm looking so fly. All right, let's go. Now, next thing I'm gonna do is I'm gonna run downstairs, just say a quick hello to a friend, because I know they're gonna wanna see me like, oh, turn it up. And then I'm going to jump on another border to meet with my friend who I have to meet in 10 minutes. Moko! Moko! Hi. Ciao.
Hey, you look good. You look. Oh, wow.
So I just found out from my friend that I am early, like super early. I thought we were supposed to meet at 10:30, but that's incorrect. What we're actually doing is we're gonna get notified at what time and place we're meeting at 10:30. So I'm early. So I think I'm gonna go get some food in my belly because I kind of postponed the food, and I think I have about an hour of time. So I can calm down, I can relax, clean off the sweat, and I'll be ready within about an hour. But wherever we're meeting at whatever time, I will be ready because I'm always ready for a Kwanjula. Getting in some morning juice before I head over to the Kwanjula because I've been delayed an hour, so got some passion juice, and it's so great. It's natural, and it's just seriously probably some of the best juice I've ever had. It's amazing. And of course it's from my local favorite restaurant here called Chili's. Absolutely fantastic. Oh look, it's a Buddha meeting.
Yeah. Probably they did something.
At least in the beginning, it gives a sense of who was the leader of the movement. This is much more. Some of it is more directed at the regime as a whole, which then goes, of course, to the supreme leader.
Turn the button.
No.
has launched the military and police to help deal with an outbreak of cholera in the capital Lusaka, smuggling on to North Korea. Sophie Long is in Seoul. According to two senior European security sources quoted by the Reuters
Yes, really.
We're going and
in 2014,
I need a selfie stick, but the ones in town are metallic.
You can talk to her and find out.
They kind of,
But I normally
they don't
use
seem strong.
oh really?
Yeah.
I have one. It's been working for 2 years. I got it in town. We got it right on the road. No, it's fine.
It's not like metallic.
Metallic. But metallic, I think. I don't know.
How much did you buy?
25.
The one I checked out was 10. I was told 15, but like I say, like majority of them can give it to you at 10. But my
that's-
friend told me there's a strong one for 100 and something.
Oh yeah, yeah. That's one of the really good ones. If you get
But I've
one,
not seen it around town.
you can't get it. You can't get it on the street. You have to go to. Do you know where Paradise Plaza is? Paradise. You know King Fahad? On Kampala Road, King Fahad. There's behind King Fahad. Okay, there's a whole road behind Kampala Road. It's like sometimes I used to slope on this side when I was coming into town. I used to live in Busega. I used to come from this side, passing through the mosque. So sometimes I'd pass this side. This is the new market they're opening here.
A market?
Yeah, or new shops for those people in town to come this side.
Shop that side.
Yeah.
Because if you see a market they don't construct like such a building.
Good. You would have wanted here.
Like those are like shops.
Yeah, that's what I meant. Shops. Not I mean a market like fruits and stuff. I meant shops. Shop market. Yeah.
When you say market,
Sorry.
my mind went straight to
You Nakamon.
No, come on, no.
I'm sorry. I'm sorry.
Nakasero.
Nakasera, yeah. So it's pouring rain out. Oh my God! I should have went out the other way. Okay.
Right here.
We made it. A little wet, but we made it. Rain is so intense right now. And party hasn't even started yet. Looks like it's going to be raining probably for at least another hour or two. It's just coming down so heavy. Let me show you.
I'm already dancing.
Joanna's about to go in the rain to go get Oscar's phone. This is going to be funny.
Hey, why don't you leave the phone on? He's gonna go get a phone. Don't stop. Is she coming back? She's going to be coming back. I can't find my phone. Oh, you have Slow, John, slow. Whatever it is, right here.
This is longer than yours. At least.
He should probably stay. He should probably stay there, right?
Let him stay where he is because
He won't come back up.
You won't be able to come back.
Oh wait. Might even go inside. This rain is so bad. Wow, that was close. Holy smokes.
What? You all like?
I'm just like in awe. It's gonna be a crazy one.
We got the same moon.
But we didn't give it to each other. Maybe when you were sleeping.
He's kidding. Rita gave it to him.
Rita.
Secretary Mara.
Rita, it's your fault. This is your fault, Rita.
Rita, his friend. Actually, I didn't know Rita knows him. Like,
What?
yeah.
What?
Rita knows him.
Rita, I'll beat you. Jaco.
That's what I was thinking. It's like so cute, yeah. This race is crazy. People run into the house. Rain is intense. Literally intense. I don't know if we're gonna have this party today. Who knows? We'll see.